Wynn Las Vegas, including its connected Encore property, features an extensive slot selection on its casino floor. Key details from the official Wynn site and recent overviews. More than 1,800 slot machines across the expansive gaming floors. A wide variety of games, including the latest and most popular titles, new, upcoming releases, and classic favorites. Denominations range from pennies, low bets, up to high limit options as high as $5,000 per play. Includes luxurious high-limit salons for bigger stakes play. Popular and classic slots specifically mentioned by Wynn include Wheel of Fortune Megabucks, progressive jackpot favorite, Monopoly Blazing Sevens, top dollar. Other slots commonly reported or spotted at Wynn in recent player discussions and lists include Dragon Link Buffalo variants or similar Hotshot Stinkin' Rich, various themed or branded games, e.g. older ones like Sex and the City, The Hangover, or Imperial Wealth, though availability rotates. The casino floor is known for a luxurious high-end vibe with a mix of mainstream hits, progressives for big jackpots, and high-limit options. Slot selections change over time as casinos rotate machines to keep things fresh. New games are added regularly. Overall RTP, House Edge, Wynn slots are among the better paying on the Las Vegas Strip, with RTPs typically ranging from 92% to 96% or higher on many machines. This means for every $100 wagered, players can expect to get back $92 or $96 on average over time, leaving a house edge of 48%. Some high limit or specific machines can reach 95-98%. For comparison, the statewide Nevada average for slots is around 90-91%, with strip casinos often slightly lower, 89-91%, due to higher traffic and tighter settings. Off-strip or downtown spots tend to be looser, 91-93% plus. These figures are theoretical and based on millions of spins. Short sessions can vary wildly from big wins to total losses. Odds of any win. Most modern slots have a hit frequency of 20-30%, meaning you'll land some kind of payout, often small, on about 1 in 3 to 5 spins. However, these are usually just enough to keep playing, not profitable in the long run. Odds of big jackpots. For progressive or high payout slots, e.g. Dragon Link or Wheel of Fortune, the odds of hitting a major jackpot, 6 figures or more, are extremely low, often 1 in 50,000 to 1 in millions per spin, depending on the game and bet size. Higher bets increase eligibility for bigger progressives, but the house edge remains. Wynn doesn't publicly disclose exact per-machine odds, as Nevada law only requires a minimum RTP of 75%, and casinos keep specifics proprietary. In summary, while Wynn offers competitive RTPs for the Strip, slots are designed for entertainment with a built-in casino advantage. The vast majority of players lose money over time, but occasional big wins keep it exciting. Always gamble responsibly and set limits. Major jackpots hit at Wynn Las Vegas in the last 2 years, Feb 2024, Feb 2026. Based on reported wins, here are notable 6-figure plus slot jackpots at Wynn, including Encore, its sister property. Note that casinos only publicize select wins, so this isn't exhaustive. The last 2 years saw several $million hits, mostly on popular progressive games like Dragon Link. No major publicized jackpots yet in early 2026, but the year is young. Date amount game details July 2024, $1,935,806 Buffalo Power Pay. An international guest won on a $60 bet at Encore around 1:45 a.m. 963kklz.com plus 1 August 2024, 1,191,881, Dragon Link. A tourist hit this on a Saturday, one of two back-to-back $1 million wins. News3lv.com, August 2024, 1,005,405. Dragon Link, another tourist won the next day, also on Dragon Link. News3lv.com, August 2025, 595,830, Wheel of Fortune Collector's Edition 4D. A player won on a $3 spin in the high limit room.
The neon hums like a restless ghost. Whiskey whispers to me the most. Cards are dealt, but the deck feels rigged. My smile's painted, my soul feels twigged. Oh, the lights can blind, but they don't warm. The city's a desert in a sequin storm. I'm singing my neon blues, singing my neon blues, 'cause hard times hit like jackpot news. I'm a queen of spades in a broken hand, a cracked martini glass, a one-woman band. Diamonds sparkle but they don't pay rent. Every show's a gamble, every laugh feels spent. Luck's a stranger who won't say hi. Dreams are shadows that kiss goodbye. Oh, the lights can blind, but they don't warm. The city's a desert in a sequin storm. I'm singing my neon blues, singing my neon blues, 'cause hard times hit like jackpot news. Red velvet curtains, they hide the tears. High heels clicking on wasted years. The jackpot's rigged, the house always wins, but I keep spinning.